karaka nitie nyaka jo EACC mabandia piny Kenya ochomo kama chal nade jomoko nyalo wacho ni waonge piny kendo kanye manya bedo ni lwenje makedo kod mibadhi mane kona mabende koro osekawo magi detectives kata apisas ma wuondore ni gin jo EACC karoyo gima jok achudhe mobiro kawo omenda kod mwandu mag jogo mabende gidhi monjo kuondegi mag ohala.
Erokamano. Maybe kapok awuoye e wach mar EACC mabandia. So owadwa Brian nowacho gimoro. Ing'eni under the government agenda and development, the government is just an enabler, market race of policy that will uplift the underprivileged. And you know very well, my brother Brian, that the Kenya Kwanza government has actually strengthened the judiciary. They have overhauled the National Police Service and affordable credit facility to business people. There's reduction of the farm input to enhance production. And we have the Hustler Fund that they have accumulated to 7.5 billion with a membership of 15.4 million. And you know very well that the Kenya Vision 2030 is long-term development blueprint for the country. Kadoke issue marjo IACC mabandia. EACC is an organization just as any other organization. Wasebedo kata during recruitment exercise mar the Kenya Defence Forces that we found that there are some people who masquerade as the military officers. They take money, they solicit money from the unsuspecting public. And this thing cut across in the education sector and all this. It is high time that Kenyans must now wake up and be alert and report such incidents to relevant authority. All these institutions are like market where there is every character. Joluo wacho ni chiro ka chiro nigi janekone. Koro kata chiro mar EACC ni nitiere wakoche kata ng'wech moko ma oikore mar mayo jopiny pesa to teach sirkal any these people might be apprehended. There's no one who will countercheck the government, Jokenya. Waya uru na wang watu wangi uru walosuru ma piny marwa. Onge piny moro mabro yudo mopogore gi Kenya ma wantie gone. It's either we built it or wakethe kendo wawegi. But the cry mar jopiny nyo winji. Manet strength marwa. Kaka Jokenya. And I repeat it again. The strength of the Kenyans is under Article 1 of the Constitution that the Kenyans are supreme. Yes? And we can only delegate this authority to our elected leaders. To kokitio loka wadu warato mana kaka nyo kunino kotimbreno.
Come on.
So let us be patriots and love our country and do it for the better of our nation.
Erokamano ahinya Mbuta. En wach mantie kar kambi